Okay, I'm doing a really random activity today, but I thought maybe, who knows, maybe someone will need this. My youngest is starting ballet this year, and so I'm taking these hand-me-down leotards and making them fit her. She's really short torsoed, and so all the straps are just super long. So this is how I'm fixing that. I've taken it in as much as I need to. Your pin will be your best friend to hold this in place because these little straps the machine will want to roll them all over. So put your pin in to hold it still. Use the zigzag stitch to stitch over the pin, and you'll have a little zigzag to hold that together, and do that again at the bottom so it holds these together. Then you don't want that flapping around, so we're going to line it up in the back and just hand stitch it down. If you have, like this just has a little strap kind of midway, if it goes right into a full back leotard, sometimes you can sew it down with your machine. It's a lot easier, but with this one, we're just gonna take a needle and thread. And just kind of catch what you can. No one is gonna see this. It's not gonna be perfect, and it's okay. Your last one, and make a loop instead of pulling it all the way through. Pull it through 2 times, pull it all the way down. There's your knot, and then I can do it to the other side as well. And then when it stretches, it will just look like that. I forgot to mention that when you're doing this, that to crank the wheel and zigzag, because the machine just wants to roll these little elastic straps around. So just take it slow. See, these even might not have worked. Oh no, it did. Phew. Okay, here's another one, a little different style. So this one has kind of a more normal back. I didn't need to take as much in, but I did the same technique. Just took off, sewed where I needed it to sew, gonna tuck it under, and just hand stitch it to the underneath. This one was kind of thick. Something was in there. So this one's not as perfect, but I think it will still work. Okay, the last one, this little leotard and skirt has this kind of nasty hole in it. And if the skirt is stretchy, you can cut it off, and you don't need to finish the edge, just like how they've made it. It's just a raw edge. So I'm gonna try and just cut this off first, see what we're dealing with. And I can see how I can just evenly mesh it back into the rest of the skirt, because honestly just taking that much off helped, but you can tell. If you're worried about these seams coming out, you can either run your machine along there or just hand stitch it closed, and it will be just fine. I'll just take a little chunk off this edge to match.